Gilgamesh was the king of Uruk, one of the greatest cities in ancient Mesopotamia. He was renowned for his strength, wisdom, and courage. But despite all these accomplishments, he still felt something missing in his life. He wanted to find a way to live forever. One day Gilgamesh heard about Utnapishtim, who had discovered the secret to eternal life. Gilgamesh set out on a quest to meet this mysterious man and learn how he could achieve immortality. He followed Utnapishtim's directions deep into the desert until finally finding him at an oasis by a lake surrounded by barren rocks. Utnapishtim told Gilgamesh that he had survived a great flood sent from Enlil, the god of wind and storms, years ago by building an ark that would keep him safe during the stormy weather. It seemed like there was hope after all. Gilgamesh decided then and there that he was going to do whatever it took to gain eternal life, so with newfound determination, he set off again on another journey. This time towards Enlil's kingdom, where only those worthy enough were given access to such divine knowledge as gaining immortality. On his travels through unknown lands and harsh deserts, he faced many perils, from wild beasts hunting him down to dangerous tribes ready to kill any trespassers on their land, but nothing could stop Gilgamesh's determination or dull its shine. After making it safely past all these obstacles, he eventually got within sight of Enlil's palace, whereupon, asking permission from guards surrounding it, was finally granted entry inside. Standing before Enlil, Gilgamesh begged for help in understanding how one can gain immortal life. The god listened patiently before revealing what no mortal has ever known. The answer lies not in seeking physical means, but rather in spiritual enlightenment, which cannot be found outside oneself, but is hidden away deep within each soul. Only when someone discovers this inner peace will they be able to unlock true everlasting existence beyond death itself. With the new insight gained, Gilgamesh thanked God for his kind advice before setting back home with a newfound perspective, knowing now more than ever how precious human mortality truly is. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more.